Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to Moorish Cuisine. Today I'm making egg and cheese spring rolls with some egg, white sauce, and cheesy filling inside, but crispy coating outside. It's equally loved by kids and adults, and you can not only make for iftar but serve it on your eat trolleys as well. So let's go and make it happen. First, I boil some eggs and then transfer those eggs into a bowl. Now, with the help of fork, I'm mashing these eggs. You don't have to mash them completely, just leave some bigger or smaller chunks in there. Now, I'm adding some shredded cheddar cheese, chopped cilantro, and chopped green chilies and mix everything well with the egg. Then you can leave this mixture on the side and we will go ahead and make our white sauce. For that, I'm heating some butter in a saucepan. When butter melts completely, I'm adding some all-purpose flour and start cooking this flour until it's cooked through and you can smell that aroma. Then simmer and then add some milk and keep stirring. We don't want our flour to get lumpy, and then it will turn into a thick white sauce. Season it with some salt, white pepper, and mustard powder. Mix well. Now I'll transfer this hot white sauce into our egg mixture. Mix everything well, combine the egg mixture with the white sauce, and then keep this filling on the side until it's completely cooled down. Now we're gonna need some spring roll sheets and we will be needing some beaten egg. Now we need some breadcrumbs as well. I'm adding some sesame seeds in the breadcrumbs, mix well and keep this on the side as well. Now we're gonna roll our spring rolls. For that, take a spring roll sheet, add a filling like around 2 tablespoons. Then this filling is gooey and cheesy, so just flatten the mixture with the help of the spring roll sheet. Then roll the spring roll sheet, but we're not going to seal the spring roll sheet. Transfer the spring roll onto a flat tray which is lined with plastic sheet. And then you can put these spring rolls in the freezer at this time. Then later when you're ready to fry, so dip those spring rolls into this beaten egg. Then dredge them into the prepared breadcrumbs. Then repeat the same process with the rest of your spring rolls. I don't prefer to put this coating before putting in the freezer because sometimes coatings comes out when we fry. So I always prefer to coat the spring rolls when you're ready to fry. And for frying, just add them into a heated oil and fry them until they get nice golden color on all the sides. The filling is already cooked, so we just need to cook them until they get golden nice color. And my egg and cheese roll are ready to serve. My family love them, especially back home. My family misses me and these rolls. If you're trying this at home, please let me know how it turned out with you with the hashtag Ramadan with Moorish. Please remember me and my family in your prayers this Ramadan. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy more recipes like this.